Hey guys, happy Tuesday. What did we have yesterday? Oh jeez. I feel like I haven't filmed in a while, but it was the weekend. I don't know if I filmed Friday. There's just been a lot. I've been super busy. There's been a lot going on. So, today was chicken patty on a bun, broccoli and cheese. On a pretzel. I need to get mustard. I need to get mustard for my chicken sandwich. Or should I put honey mustard on it? Some of the broccoli today, look, this is one piece of broccoli. It's huge, it's a huge piece of broccoli. Come on, broccoli. I want to fling it. All right, let me get mustard. Chicken patty on a bun. Okay, I added mustard and pickle. Yesterday was the, oh my gosh, yesterday when I got home, I was so tired. I'd had like 4 hours of sleep since Saturday. Because I slept before I went to work Saturday night, and then Sunday I slept 4 hours, till 8 to 12. And then, did I film yesterday? I don't know, I don't remember. Anyway, yesterday after I ate my lunch, I went to sleep till the kids got off the bus. Then after they got off the bus, I lay down for like an hour. Jay was here because he didn't work yesterday. Like, it wasn't a scheduled day. And then we watched the parade right down the street for the Halloween festival costume contest. Did you hear that noise? Oh, maybe the wind's blowing something around outside. I don't know. And then after the festival, we came back home, made tacos, when it was time for homework and everything. And then I took a long hot shower. And then when I went to bed, it was the first night that I had slept at nighttime since Thursday. And I slept so good. It felt so good to sleep at night. And I feel like $1,000,000 today. I'm still kind of sore from work. This is insane, these pieces of broccoli. I mean, better like this than mush, right? Look at these big pieces. Now Joe's back to work for the next few days. I've been filming videos on my lunch break at my other job. From 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. That broccoli and cheese is so good. So now I'm gonna enjoy the silence, edit a video. I imported a bunch of footage this morning. This is one of my favorite meals at school. Is a chicken patty on a bun. So this morning I was telling Allie and Jax about it. I'm like, yeah, chicken patty on a bun. They were so excited. I got to work and I was telling them, like, we're all so excited for this menu. And she's like, oh, oops, sorry. And I was like, what? We're not having chicken patty on a bun? She was like, well, I forgot to order buns, so we're doing spooky chicken. I'm like, what the heck is spooky chicken? So kindergarten and, let's see, kindergarten, 2nd grade, 3rd grade, got chicken nuggets. 1st grade and 4th grade had chicken patty on a bun. And then we had the little, there's a little popcorn chicken, in case anybody wanted to add chicken from the salad bar. So spooky chicken, broccoli and cheese. We had little cups of pineapple, and because we had like a board that we write the menu on, and Kayla made it poison pineapple, and she sprinkled blue raspberry jello powder on top. And then they got a freaky fruit snack. It was fruit roll-ups. But so many kids were like, I thought it was spooky chicken. That's not spooky. I thought they called it that because we have a variety of chicken. And one little girl came in, she's like, I thought we were having a variety of chicken. I said, well, we're serving a variety of chicken. I said, different grades just got different chicken. So there were so many questions about the chicken. I went out to talk to Jax after I was done serving kindergarten and got everything switched over for first grade. I went out to see if he was upset that it wasn't chicken patty, and he only had 1 chicken nugget left, and they get 5. He only had 1 chicken nugget left. And he had eaten part of his fruit roll-up, but part of it still had the plastic on it, like it was super stuck. I'm like, dude, you're gonna eat the plastic. Like, I look around, a couple of the other kids were like eating the plastic because they couldn't get it to unwrap. So I had to help a couple get the you know, that liner that's like up against the roll up so they can roll it up. Like at the one end, it was kind of stuck. So they were like gnawing on wrappers. I told Kelly, I said, it's not just my kid. And then one of the 4th graders came through and he's like, I like to eat the wrapper. And Kayla's like, well, you have to take the wrapper off. He's like, well, I can't ever get it off, so I just eat it. The one 4th grader, she's like, I thought it was a variety of chicken. You only have 1 kind in there. I'm like, well, it's a variety for the whole day. I said, different grades got different chicken. It was just so weird how many kids had so many questions about the chicken. I'm so excited we have nothing to do tonight or tomorrow night. Kids can come home from school, just hang out, play. We don't have to go anywhere or do anything, or no run around last minute crazy night stuff. Thursday's trick or treat, but I wish I had more broccoli and cheese. It was so good. Ah. All right. I didn't eat the pretzel. Oh, piece. All right, that's gonna be a wrap on lunch. I'm gonna go get my computer, sit on the couch, edit a video. I need to post a video for this playset. Shoot. I keep forgetting. But yeah, I'm rocking my Beetlejuice shirt. Yesterday was the one that had like the black bow and then the Jason mask. I've got 2 more days of Halloween clothing to wear. I gotta figure out what to wear because I don't know what else I have up there. I don't have to look and see. it's kind of fun. I'm like, I can't wait till December because I have more Christmas clothing than I do anything. So like, I'm gonna be in a different freaking Christmas shirt. I can wear like a shirt a day and not wear the same shirt twice. So yeah, I'm so excited. It's so fun and the kids love it. But that's gonna be it. It's nice out today, but it's super windy. But that was my shirt from Five Below. So many kids commented on it. But, all right, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.